Hello, my name is George Lakaros, and this is my presentation on what I've learned part two. So, to get started, for me, the first point would definitely be networking. Today in class, we learned about creating value, which was very important. We learned about being enthusiastic when it comes to meeting new individuals, and of course, that the fortune is in the follow up. For me, secondly, it would be sales negotiations. Most importantly, you need to conduct good business. You need to make sure the customer is satisfied because the customer is going to buy the experience that you offer, not the actual product itself. And I liked how there was different types of negotiating that can conduct good business. Lastly is online marketing. I personally want to pursue social media marketing, so this is interesting to me. About digital advertising or optimizing your search engine results and creating content for these pages where people can view your stuff and you can actually become like some type of influencer online, primarily right now through social media, which is to me amazing. And that's actually going to conclude my presentation. And those are my three main points from the semester. Thank you.